Hello, how are you? Today we are going to download and install Eclipse in Windows. Also we will configure it so that we can develop Android applications with it. So let's get started. Open your browser, and then in browser type JRE. Okay, it's a Java runtime environment, and to run Eclipse we need JRE. So first we will download JRE. Go to this first link. It will take you to Oracle's website, and here you can find the setups available for all OSs. To download file, first click on this accept license agreement, and now you can download whichever file you want. As I'm using Windows 8 64-bit, so I will download this file. It's a .exe file. You can also download .tar file, which is a compressed file. I will click on this file. Start download. Click on start download, and download will automatically be started. I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel it, and I will go to downloads and compress. Here is I've downloaded JRE 7, which is a previous version of JRE. Click on yes button. This is user account control option. Now this window is up here, so click on install button. The software has already been installed. As I have already downloaded and installed it, and I'm doing it again for you so that you can understand. So this message pops up for me, but it won't pop up for you. So click on yes. I will click on yes, and here installation has begun. Yeah, this window will pop up then. Okay, I think Java runtime environment has been successfully installed. So click on close button. If this doesn't work, you can also download JDK, Java Development Kit. Sometimes it is required, depends on your OS. So you can also download it from this link. Just type in JDK in search engine, and then go to the first link, and here are JDK. Click on this link, download, and then install it. Same for as you saw it for previous version. This is the previous version, and where is the latest version? Click on this button and then download according to your OS. I won't download this, I will just leave it. So now we will download Eclipse. So type in search Eclipse, and go to eclipse.org, then click on downloads button. Here it brings us to this page. So click on this first application, Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and download according to your system OS. I will click on this button, 64-bit, and click on download button again, and your download will automatically start. If it doesn't, click on this click here button. As I have already downloaded this file too, so I will cancel it. And now here is the file, Eclipse Java. I have downloaded the zip file. So it's available in 2 formats, I think. Yeah, but I have downloaded the zip file. So click on extract. It requires a WinRAR. Click on extract button, select the location where you want to extract it. I will select D, and then here in D I will create a new folder name it Android, actually ADT 64-bit. Okay, click OK. Here it will extract all the files. File will be extracted. Okay, file has been extracted. Here is our Eclipse folder, and here's our Eclipse. Now next thing we need to download is Android SDK. So type SDK for Eclipse and then go to this link, developer.android.com/SDK installing ADT HTML. It will bring you to this page, but I think first you click on installing the SDK, which is under downloads. Installing the SDK, click on download, then installing the SDK, and then download this standalone tools. And it will start. If you didn't download the SDK tool, go to download SDK now, click on this button again, and here you can download the .exe file and .zip file. I will click on this button and accept the terms and condition, and then click on this button. I've already downloaded this file too, so I will cancel it. I will cancel this, and here it is, Android SDK. Double click to extract it, extract to, and then go to the same folder we extracted, where we have extracted Eclipse ADT. Select the ADT folder, look at here, ADT, and then click OK. This file will be extracted to. This has been extracted. So the next thing we need to do is click on this button, Eclipse with ADT, installing Eclipse plugin. Eclipse with ADT, and then click on installing with the Eclipse plugin. Actually the site has been upgraded. Just I've checked this in the morning, and now the site is changed. They've changed the menu. That's why I'm confused. Okay, then scroll down until you come to this location. Click on this link. Look, I've already downloaded this file, so I will click on cancel, and the file will be down. When the file is downloaded, then just it is here. Okay, now go to the folder where you have extracted Eclipse, and then run Eclipse. Double click on this Eclipse file, setup.exe. Eclipse is starting. Okay, this is where all of your project files will be placed. It's inside C user Razaullah Khan workspace, and you can also change this, but I think it would be good if you keep it default. Click on OK, and Eclipse is running for the first time. It will take some time. Okay, here's our Eclipse. I think this screen will not appear for you. If the screen is welcome screen is appear, like I think you will see this screen. Okay, so now go to file and then install new software. Click on install new software, and now what we need to do is click on add button, and then click on archive. Okay, and then select the file we've just downloaded, this one, double click and it is selected, and here type anything, but here as Android is suggesting to us is type ADT plugin. So copy paste, click OK, and then select this developer tools, click next. It will definitely take some time, so give it some time. I will pause the video and then we'll resume it again. Okay, that step has been completed. So now click on next button, accept the license agreement, and click on finish button. It will also take some time, and you can see and one more thing, for this you also need to connect with internet. So I will pause the video again and will come back when this setup has completed, or it gives me some kind of pops up to ask me something or to take my decision. Here it gives me a message, so I will click OK. It is asking me you are installing software that contains unsigned content, which is okay, so I will click on OK, and then definitely it will give me another pop-up. So you will need to restart Eclipse. Yes, so Eclipse will be restarted automatically. Okay, here it is asking me. You can click on this button and it will not ask you this again. Check this and click OK. Here Eclipse has restarted itself. Okay, so now the next thing we have to do is it will definitely give you this pop-up. So click on this open preference button, and then here it has already populated it, which I've already started it, so that's why it has been populated. So I will click on browse button and then go to my computer, drive D, and here is ADT, where I've extracted the Android SDK before, and we'll click on this Android SDK Windows, which is, if you saw, located here. So click OK, and as now nothing has been downloaded yet in SDK, when I click on apply button, it will definitely give me this pop-up. So I will close it for the time being, and close this also, and then click OK. This has been done. So now if this bar doesn't pop up, it will definitely pop up. Click that help file, and now these two tools have been installed in Eclipse. So I will click on this button, Android SDK Manager. Okay, so now here is the thing that you have to take care of. Okay, APIs and platforms that we need to develop Android applications. Here it is automatically populated with the files that we need, but I will deselect, no, not deselect, I will deselect this one. So now check install 19 packages. I will deselect this one and we'll leave these two, and click on this and this to minimize it, and then I will come here to Android 4.42 and click, will select this one, and Intel, no, not this, ARM EABI v7a image, and also this Google API for ARM2, and then I won't do anything else. And also I think if we want to develop for Android 5.1, we can also download its SDK platform, and can download its ARM2, and it's Google API for that ARM, and we are good to go. Okay, then click on install packages. So take a look again, this file has already been installed. These two files, Android SDK platform tools version 22, I've selected these two. Then in 5.1.1 I've selected SDK platforms, which is required to develop for that platform. And then TV ARM, not TV ARM, I will select this ARM EB7, and then also, which is okay, the next file is good. And then Android 4.4.2 API level 19, this is API level 22, and I have selected SDK platform, ARMB image, and Google API ARM system. And in fall I've selected the default one, Android support library, Google USB driver, and then click on install packages. Accept license, click on accept license, and then click on install. So your installation will begin, and it has begun. It will take some time, so I will pause the video again. If it gives you some kind of error like this, don't worry about it. It's not a real warning. So finally it's been completed. It took too long time, so close it, and here all of the packages are installed. Look, installed, and check out, all of them are installed. Okay, just close this window now, and now you are good to go. So this is how we can download and configure Eclipse so that we can develop Android application with it. In next video we will create AVD, Android virtual device. So till then, goodbye, see you.